Positivity is key. So if I was to tell you one thing that you can add to your life to make it more fulfilling, to make you have a better chance at succeeding at your dreams and accomplishing everything that you want to accomplish, it's as simple as one step. Optimism and positivity in your thinking and your body language and your life in general will result in a lot of more positive experiences for you, and that will make it so that you can be more motivated in your everyday life. If I could tell you one thing out of anything that I could tell you that I know would bring better experiences into your life, motivate you more, make it so you reach out and accomplish what you want to accomplish, following your dreams, the one thing would just be to have a lot more positive attitudes and just positivity in your life in general. Now, the law of attraction is a huge thing that is searched up and taught by a lot of people and followed almost like a religion. And the law of attraction, it is the belief that focusing on positive or negative thoughts will then make positive or negative things happen in your life. So if you focus on positive things that happen in your life, or just things that you're thankful for in general, it will make it so that more positive things come into your life instead of negative things, and your life in general would be 100 times better, because then you're attracting positivity at all times instead of getting down in the dumps and being negative or having troubles because you're thinking about something you don't like. And positivity can just, that one change in mindset can change your life forever. Recently, I've been having a lot of troubles with a lot of negative things happening, or having a lot of problems in terms of my mental health or personal problems that everyone goes through. And I really made it a commitment to look at all the positive things and to not dwell on it, and make sure that I'm always accepting all the positives that come up in my life, even when I'm feeling down or feeling very unmotivated. And I could have easily chose not to think of the positive things, just to think of the negative things, just blame outside forces, not to take responsibility. But as soon as I took responsibility, as soon as I thought of all the positive things that I have, the positive things of who I am, then it made a lot of the harder issues a lot more manageable, and pretty much changed and flipped my whole health around. I then was getting more emotionally stable, doing things that I needed to do. The responsibility in all of it really opened my eyes and made me have thoughts about what is actually good. And all the time while thinking that, it really brought a lot of positive things into my life that wouldn't have been there at all if I would have just stayed negative. So make sure you always look at the positive side of things. Even the most terrible things that can happen to someone, always have a positive side to it, a positive look that you can have towards it. So as long as you stay positive, your life will stay positive. You'll be attracting all the positive things in life into your life, which in turn will make you a better person.